A dying father had one last lesson left to teach his son before he left for heavenly abode. He called his son over to his hospital bed and said, "Son, this is a watch your grandfather gave me as his last gift ever. It's more than 100 years old. But before I give it to you, I want you to go to the watch shop on the first street and try to sell it. Note what he offers." The young boy went to the first shop across the street as his father had suggested and came back to say, "Father, the shopkeeper said that the watch is useless and rusted. He offered me only $5 for it." The father smiled and said, "Go try your luck at the coffee shop, my son." The young boy again did as his father had suggested. He went to the coffee shop, came back and said, "Father, he also offered me only $5. The father smiled and said, "Go to the museum, my son, and show them the watch." The son nodded his head and went to the museum. He soon returned from the museum and said to his father, "Oh father, they offered me $1 million for it." The father gave a big, contented smile and said to his son, "I have taught you your last and most important lesson, my son. I wanted to teach you that the right place will always value you. If you ever feel undervalued, don't be angry. Just understand that you are in the wrong place. Those who know your value will always appreciate you. Know your worth and be quick to move out of the wrong place. Because of the fear of the unknown, we stay stuck in jobs we hate and feel undervalued in. We lose belief in our own selves and continue to live in misery by choice, calling it the struggle of life. The truth is that you're worth far more than you give yourself credit for. You can have the kind of business you want. You can have the wealth and the career success you want. All you need is to know your worth, believe in yourself, and be willing to put the effort it takes to find the right place.